morning, baby.
Good morning.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. So you see I'm still in my jammies.
You're just chillaxing in the sunbeam.
Yep.
Good morning, and happy belated Father's Day to any fathers out there. Thank you for joining us this morning. We're just taking some time to relax and camp this morning before we head out to do some more exploring. We're not huge breakfast eaters normally, but every Father's Day I try to make something special for Tim that I think he'll enjoy. So I'm starting breakfast here. We're gonna have, what did I say we were having? Peanut butter banana French toast.
Caramel sauce.
With caramel sauce and sausage and fruit.
Did you bring the moonshine caramel?
No, I didn't. The salted caramel moonshine.
Yeah.
No, I was thinking about using that. Nope, didn't do it. So I'm going to get stuff mixed up for the French toast here while the sausage is cooking. No. The wind blew the cinnamon. Almost ready.
I'm dressed.
There you are.
Presentable?
Yep.
You and I didn't shave?
Yep. Got the rugged look happening. We got to do the food picture here. So fruit, sausage, and I don't know what that be, bananas, Foster's, maybe, peanut butter banana. What'd you call it, Elvis?
Elvis, except you don't have bacon in it.
No, I didn't put bacon in it. It's got peanut butter, bananas, and caramel, and then caramelized bananas. I brought syrup, too, in case you decide you want syrup on it. So the bananas are just bananas, sugar, a little bit of salt.
Looks hot.
Pretty good?
Very good.
Okay. I'll go get mine off of there. Your plate's clean.
The plate's clean.
So it was edible, huh?
It was very good. Could have used a little more peanut butter, but it was good.
There's never enough peanut butter.
Or bacon.
Yep. Tim dropped something on his shirt and was just saying how he's going to have to start tucking a napkin into his shirt like his dad did. And so that drew up
Father's Day, Dad.
Yep, visual memories for both of us of your dad doing that no matter where we were, who was around. That napkin got
home or out.
Yep. That napkin got tucked into his shirt. So we're going to finish. Let's see, I've still got a little bit here. Fruit and sausage. Finish eating and do the dishes, clean up. And then we're going to go out and explore a little bit more. What time is it? Do you know what time it is?
10 minutes to 9 here.
Oh, wow. It's not even very late. I figured it was later than that. We'll get things cleaned up and then see what trouble we can find. It's not hot, not too hot yet, but that sun, you can feel it getting hot.
Yep.
So we're going to head north of the campground today to check out a couple little trails north and then go up to the Manistee River and kind of look around up there. I think as we're headed out though, we'll go drive to the back, so like the campsite next to us cleared out this morning. So it's Sunday morning. We're planning to stay one more night. But let's go back down by the boat launch, see if anybody down there has left. And it'll be interesting on the way out to see all those up there. And then to see when we come back this afternoon.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Local?
It's just 10 o'clock local time. So we'll see. Yep, they're both still back here. So it says on the Forest Service website that this is a lightly used campground. It was full up this weekend.
Yep.
But maybe that's just because it was Father's Day weekend. You know, maybe more people, like they treat that as a holiday, and we spent the next few hours exploring a couple more trails, and these turned out to be our favorite trails of the trip. I even took a turn behind the wheel for one of them, and of course that one ended up being my favorite. We'll share those in next week's video. We also checked out some of the dispersed camping opportunities in Manistee. And then we headed back to cook some steaks over the campfire. So our last night here camping, the campground has cleared out. All the people that were over there are gone. Much quieter.
South side of us are gone.
Yeah, everybody, there's a couple people camped further back still. But everybody up front is gone. So nice, quiet evening here. We're having we often have our last night of camping. We've got a couple steaks here. We're getting ready to throw over the fire over here. We got some rice and green beans that are cooking. Tim's playing games, solitaire over there on your phone. We did a lot of exploring today, some of it in the rain. Some interesting trails.
Mm-hmm.
So, yep, we'll be sharing those in a future video. So we'll finish making dinner here and we're gonna relax.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Tim wrapped up Father's Day with a glass of bourbon in front of the campfire. We hope you enjoyed spending the day with us and that you'll join us next week as we explore those trails. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.